Well, good afternoon, and it's great to be in beautiful Vaughan today, and what a beautiful library. And Margie, you're doing a great job, and Mayor, you're obviously doing a great job every day, as everyone else here in Vaughan is doing. So today, I want to recognize Ontario's parents. There are thousands of families out there who have made sacrifices, who have taken seriously the public health advice, and who have gone that extra mile to make sure their child can learn safely. I know it hasn't been easy, juggling work and running a business while helping your kids attend classes in person or online, screening your child every day for symptoms, staying home with them when they're sick, or taking them to get tested. Our parents have been the unsung heroes, and they've been critical in the fight against COVID-19. So I want to thank all our parents for everything they've done over the past several months. They've been doing an incredible job under trying circumstances to support their child's learning and ensure our classrooms remain safe. I would also like to acknowledge our wonderful principals, teachers, staff, and custodians. Thanks to you, we have kept outbreaks to a minimum in our schools and childcare centers. Since this pandemic started, parents have been there for us, and I can tell you we will be there for them. I want to thank families, and we will always be there to support each and every single person in this province. That's why I'm proud to announce that starting today, the portal is open for applications for the Support for Learners program. As part of the 2020 budget, Ontario's action plan, Protect, Support and Recover, we announced additional supports for parents with learning cost and at-home care. For every child from the ages 0 to 12, parents will receive $200 in support. And for every child or youth with special needs from ages 0 to 21, we're providing $250. Whether your child is in school, in childcare, or at home, families are eligible for the funding. We are investing an additional $380 million to help with additional education expenses during COVID-19, including workbooks, school supplies and technology, or to help offset childcare expenses. This builds on the $378 million we provided parents during the first wave of COVID-19. As Premier, I want every parent to know our top priority is to keep our schools and childcare centers open as safely as possible. We have the Chief Medical Officer of Health, the local medical officers of health, and health experts. We have an army of 625 public health nurses supporting our schools. They're all monitoring the situation closely. They're expanding testing in schools, especially in the hotspot areas. They're doing everything in their power to keep the kids safe. We have the best, the most robust school safety plan in the entire country. And we're sparing no expense. We're all doing everything we can to ensure kids can come back to school safely after the holiday break, because families need that certainty. Parents need that certainty. The kids need the mentorship and the peer support that only the classroom can provide. It's critical for both their physical and mental health. But we need the help of absolutely everyone, not just our teachers and our parents to flatten that curve. We need our army of 14.5 million people all pulling in the same direction right now. Let's fight COVID-19 for our schools, let's fight COVID-19 for our child care centers, and let's fight COVID-19 for our family, friends, and neighbors. Keep following the health guidelines, and together we will defeat this deadly threat. Thank you, and God bless the people of Ontario.